Welcome to another episode of Chat Back Loop Off. I am Saloni Narang, CNCF Ambassador, Docker Captain, and co-founder of Cube Simplify. I'm having Afzal with me, who will be exploring Kubean project, CNCF Sandbox project right now. So, all yours, Afzal.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much. And I'm very glad that I'm able to here to do this. So basically, talking about me, I'm another CNC ambassador. I'm GitOps enthusiast, CNC, CD ambassador as well. And yeah, apart from that, I when I don't work, I really try to going into like some of the latest Kubernetes, cloud native technologies, trends, and tools, articles, and yeah, getting through like really understanding the things which is going and trending. So let's get started, I think.
Yeah, so thanks, Afzal. So, let you know, Afzal will be exploring this tool for the very first time, and please be respectful to all the audience. So, let's go.
Yeah, sure. Sure, I will share my screen.
All right,
Uh,
go ahead.
yeah, awesome. So basically, this project we are going through, just my landscape CNCF and cloud native landscape, and I'm going to go with this project name and look for this project. I think yes, this has been sandboxed. From what I can see, this has been since 2024, and looking at the matrix, I can see it has got 503 stars and number of years, good number of contributors as well. You can see the commits has got, yeah, it's like it's running good, and think it's good to learn from this, like what's all about before going to this project. So I will just go to this official website and see uh, more about this one. So basically, I'll be doing what I will go through the some of the fundamentals of it, and then we'll go to the installation part, and how it works. So we'll definitely explore together, and discover a lot of things by which we can understand better. So as you can see, there has been features it has got, but before understanding that, it has to be like something related to lifecycle management of Kubernetes cluster. So it's basically something based on Kubespray. Let's see what's all about this one. Think something related to it's kind of production ready Kubernetes cluster deploying like you can deploy in like any kind of cloud infrastructure, AWS, like that. So we'll not go through this on the part, but basically I will diving into Kubean here. So when you say lifecycle management, what we can understand something like provisioning cluster from scratch and setting up infrastructure, configuring it to the according to the needs. And yes, I think what I can understand from like the management part of it. And when you say more about it, like how it can like apply standard configurations, uh, like networking rules, upgrading, restoring, scaling, and all. So that's all I think it covers mainly. And talking about like s- uh, something related to their offline supported. These are the packages are released with the release. Yeah, and the comparability is to something related to like their multi-arc delivery supporting. It's something related to basically Linux distributions, AMD, ARM, and all. Then we have got like something related to allowing custom action to be added to cluster without any changes for Kubespray. So this means something related to like can be expanded to Kubespray. Um, what else we have? Think we can go to their GitHub page. Uh, yes, this exactly. But we can go through. We already talked about something related to that. So I think moving into this, the installation part. Let's see what else it covers. Let's understand from this functional framework if we have got something here. Oh, nice. I think they have got this architecture. I can see from the architecture. This is the Kubean operator, which is mainly the managing the life cycle of cluster, Kubernetes cluster. So it's watching and updating, so creating watch and update cluster operation. Let's see what else we have got. Oh yeah, it is also got with the expanded to Kubespray. It controls the management social life cycle. We're applying standard CRDs. So yeah, so it's got like CRDs, um, which is provided by Kubean and Kubernetes native resources. That's great. Like we can definitely understand from the resources, custom resources. As underlying technology simplifies the operation process of cluster deployment, lowers the threshold of use. Many new features such as cluster operation records, offline person records have been added to the basis of Clipspray capabilities. Uh, but at least what we can understand from here, like basically, we have got like the operator, which has the controller, which has got the other uh, the main controller, which is also managing uh, other controllers on top of that. Uh, Cluster controller. So these are like I think these CRDs. Let's talk about. Yes, basically something like that. Let's communicate with the underlying cluster API server to create Kubernetes native resources, and these are the components. And we can understand like these are like which will be like when you create the cluster and install the Kubean operator. So these are the components uh, which will be managing controlling all the operations. So based on the definition, some of them are included and it's had different operations, different control monitoring operations. I think this is something related to cluster objects, operation controller and monitors cluster operation objects. And I think this manifest controller is related to the manifest objects, and there's all of the artifact sets related to the monitoring local artifact set objects. So we can go with the Kubean and Kube spray as well. It's that's got the definition of it, and so this is basically something uses this as Ansible as the underlying layer to configure and orchestrate clusters, and whereas Kubean is based on Kubespray, boast all the advantages of Kubespray. So basically, I think what we can understand, like they are very much related to each other, and when you have the Kubespray, uh, you can run on like user run on like cluster which has like which uses the Ansible as the underlying layer. But in case of Kubean, here we just run the Kubean and deploy the Kubean, and it will just help us like manage life cycle of the cluster. You can like it can be like more we can understand from like it's going to be run as a container. You can easily install the Helm chart, sort of offline as a parameter, and not only as share workflow for working, egging, flying packages. Let's keep spray. So this has got some configurations maybe, and which like help to simplify the configuration and allowing users to manage cluster lifecycle in a collaborative way. So that's great. I think there's an advantage of it. Let's go to the CRDs. Just we talked about some of the components, and they we have uh, these are like related to the CRD, and so we can just install the CRD and you can make use of custom resource uh, based on that. So yeah, we'll I think definitely learn more when we do this in a demonstration. What else we have? Custom actions. I think just we came through this when we are talking about the awesome features. Uh, so products of Kubean and Kubesphere are same images, Helm charts, and Kubernetes manifest. If we want to customize some operations after obtaining this product is possible, but can be complicated. It requires a lot of manual configuration modifications. Then it has something other goal of it. Different way for users to use. Okay, customize actions to modify view and control. So how this design, the CRD is designed, right? Mm, yes, I think something has action source field to declare the source of the action. Built-in default. There's a use of built-in Ansible playbook or self script. Then it's got the config map playbook. Oh yeah, add the action source reference field to declare the resource object referenced when action source is config map. Okay, this is field text effect when the config map and its format is kind of it. It's part of this configuration example. It's got the config map here, And this my playbook YAML is got like this, which says hello world. This cluster operation we have got. It tells about this action type. The action is this YAML file, which is data its content, and with the source is config map, and we have got the reference of it. It should be the name of it, the config map. This one. What else we have? Pre-hook. Oh yeah, it is using the script file script. So shell script. So it basically it's talking about this sh.sh action as loaded.sh. Then this is the source and it's the name of it. Oh, nice. I think it's a very understandable example to just understand the basic of it. We have got a lot of idea from this, like going through this. So what else? It's talking about this air gapped packages. It's something related to CI builds, offline assets to install Kubernetes in air gapped environment. So if you have like something that's you are storing in air gapped environment, then this is something we can utilize leverage this for your setup. That's all about, like, we can understand from the functional framework. This like user guide has got something like we can deploy Kubernetes clusters with various uh, ways, and the development part is called like Kubean roadmap. Nice, it starts pay of it. It has also the releases. The latest release has got like very recent, 3rd August. No, sorry, it's like very older, I think. Yeah, it's little older. The release also, like, currently release is not 27, 21. Anyway, we are mostly covered a lot of um, like theoretical part of it, and now I think it's time to at least figure out implementation part of it, playing around it, and see what we can break and make things. uh, so I have this K3D cluster running here, and I can also give you the whole of it. I think yes. Yeah. So if these some of these are already running on the cube system, and we'll install this using this guide. So we should have the Helm tool installed in order to deploy this. We'll just install this Helm repository, Kubean, and we'll see. Let's install it. It's not installed, and we'll install the Kubean. Oh yeah, it's checking the Amazon store, right? It's about something related with researching the repository. Let's see. Ah, we have got something else too. Yes, we have got this, and we'll install given release. Let's see. You have no computers and all. No, I don't think. It should be added to. Did I miss any report? Uh, any step? Let me see again. And it's there. Oh yeah, I think this one. I really missed this part. Yeah. This is going to install Kubean on this cluster. It'll take some time. While it's taking time, let's go to the other part of it. We are should be able to install it. Oh yeah, it's got it. Let's see. Yes, it's deployed. This you can see the status deployed now. Nice. That's great. We have successful installing that, and let's see what it's talking about. Minimal deployment. Standard Kubernetes cluster. Yes, we have this Kubernetes cluster. This yes, got the cluster. Yes, we have deployed this one. Even cluster we cloned. Oh yeah, let's do this. We are cloning this repository. Then use the Kubean example file clone to your local machine as a template for demonstration. Oh yeah, sure. Configure the all-in-one .yml parameters. Maybe to do this file and it did this template. Sure, we can go to this CS once we get it installed. Let's go to that repository. Ah, yeah, yes, we have got it. And what's the name of the should be on which one? It should be on the example. I think should be. Sorry about that. I was coughing. Then looking at this all-in-one file, it should be inside the installs. Then let's check the install. Oh yeah, I missed that. And we'll go into this file, right? Oh, where it's gone. Yes, here you go. So this is something we need to modify, change some, replace this IP values with some random because I don't think I have the Ansible installed is something related to the Ansible. So we're doing as for this demonstration. So we're use the random IP, random all the host and all.
Afzal, are you presenting something else? I mean, I can only see the deployment file.
Oh, sorry for that.
Yeah. Yeah, can you see now? I think it should be visible. It's not visible. Yeah, Now I can see GitHub.
yeah.
Okay, code as well.
Oh, yeah. I think
It was
so.
only deployment. We were able to see only deployment right page.
And able to see this.
Now I can see. Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, this terminal, right? I think we lost somewhere because of sharing the notes in the screen, the correct screen. So what I'm doing here now is that I'm just replacing the values of it with some random values because I haven't installed the Ansible here. So we'll definitely at least understand the how it works. So basically that's it for the its demonstration. I'm just adding some random values here. Let me grab some of it. Here you go. Oh yeah, to insert it and give access IP. Civil host. It, it will give something. And we'll give it as a SSH. Okay. Username. Let's give it Kubean. And as a password, let's give it CNCF 123. And another one we need to replace. I believe that should be something tag. So this image should be removed with something the latest release. I mean the image should be the latest release, but for this one I'm just giving a random uh, release number that should work. Yes, I think got it. Yes, I don't think we have anything else to add from the yes. Yeah, got it. And now once we do that, we'll apply this. Let's go. We'll apply this one. We're already inside this directory, so I will remove this part and apply this one. It's been created, and yeah, we'll see the update of it. What we have got. The clips is given something like that. Yeah, it's running everything. You can see the Kubean cluster, the main install ops start job, and about this the Ansible part of it. You can see the config map. So that I don't think it's not namespace or not, but we can see. Here we go. Applied this mini host conf. Yes, that's yeah, it's got it. So we have created and it's it's there. You can also see the data of it. Let's see if you can see the data of it. I feel like to see here this one, right? And get the output of it. Here we go. So this is the data which it contains, and we have just added into this, right? And cluster operation kind, you can see it's like the owner reference of it. So the it's basically ref honored reference to this operator, this component. And yeah, besides that, uh, Kubean operator is like controlling all the components. Let's see what else we are. Think we at this point we have completed the deployment of single node cluster. That's great. We have done one job. And yeah, it's something related to using accelerated mode if you are deploying the cluster. So I think the if you make it something the common between that, so that is something related to very very minimal way of deploying the cluster. And this is something when we are supposed to do that using accelerated mode. So I'm not going to do this now, but yes, feel free to install it for in your case if you are doing it using accelerated mode. So but yes, for the demonstration purpose, definitely we are able to successfully deploy this Kubernetes Kubean cluster on top of Cat3D cluster. So this is running. So it's very, you know, very we are very lucky to see like it's working, and we have not failed anywhere. Anyway, we really missed some of the steps in between, but we are like at least you know made it at the time. So what else I can find from this? uh these are all the talking about the contributors. These are related to their maintainers. I think they have got the oh yeah, so they have got this this tutorial, I think, just on color coda. So if you're really want to use this platform, color coda platform, without using the terminal and all, without using the cluster Kubernetes cluster and all, definitely we can play around that. So I've already done this, so I don't want to use this now again. Hmm. Yeah, that got the Slack channel as well. Uh, yes, that's okay, great. Let's give it a start. Yeah, they have latest merge. That means this project is in up to date. That's great. I think we have explored a lot of things regarding this Kubernetes. I've understood all this, the lifecycle management of it, the components, main components of it, installing the operator using Helm chart, and then configuring the config map, like the mini host of it. So you don't have Ansible installed. So yeah, please don't mind. Don't please bear with me. So I think we have at least mainly covered the whole part of it, what it's talking about, and what it can be leveraged with. So as you know, CubeSpray is a very big project, so it's based on CubeSpray. I believe this is kind of light project of as you can in a simple way you can say. So yeah, I think that's all about this one. uh, I think if you want to definitely want to try this out, want to implement this out, please feel free to do this, and you know do as much as you can. So that's all about this one. I'm stopping the screen sharing.
Thank you so much, Afzal, for exploring the new project Kubean with us. We really enjoyed it exploring with you. So, thank you everyone for joining us. See you in the next episode of Chat Loop Back Off.